guys, I'm Spencer. What's up guys, I'm Sam's friend. I'm Spencer. God damn it, What's up guys, I'm Spencer, Sam's friend, and this is my 1960 Bug, and I'm gonna show you guys about it. Alright, we're gonna start off with showing you the interior. First of all, there's no door hinge to hold it so it hits my my mirror. So I gotta hold it. I got the low backs, the stock. These cars, I mean, they didn't originally they don't have seat belts like from the factory, so I had to put those in myself because, you know, I'm not trying to die. I'm not suicidal or nothing. These, I put these in. They got the little pockets. They're not stock either. They're aftermarket. I got this shelf. I put this in a while ago. Obviously they're not stock, but they're super helpful. Got my little cum rag for my windows because it gets fogged up because I don't got defogment or air conditioning. Back when I first, oh actually we're just gonna go over that side one. Look, this side has the thing so it doesn't open all the way. But when I first got the car, I didn't have the hinge for the glove box, so it was literally just open the whole time. So I just drive it with the glove box open. And we got the headliner. It came with the car, but you know, I just decided not to change it because everyone that got in the car would just want to pet it. I mean, sometimes I get the urge, I just start petting my roof, but anyways, you got the back seat. Obviously, look at all that leg room. A lot of leg room. You got the stock seats. Oh, and I got this carpet here. There was no carpet, so it was just bare metal, so that shit was like really loud. So I put the carpet in. I put these little side steps that have no reason because it's lowered. My nice little tiny gear shifter, the whole 4 speeds it got. So my gas pedal, it was like this is a rolling one, so it's like a little fucking skateboard wheel. But it used to be like just like a normal gas pedal, but my fat ass broke it, and so I put this on and I forced it on. I got my nice little cup holders that nice and removable, that don't work for shit because it doesn't hold nothing. And my nitrous, you got my nitrous, turn that on, that's on. Just kidding, that's my heater. So we're gonna show you the motor. It's nice and dirty. I'm not clean. It's a 1641 cc. It's been rebuilt. I think we rebuilt it like 3 times. When I first got the car, it didn't run. It had a rod knock, so the piston was hitting the motor case. So we tore it apart. And I mean, these motors are so simple. They're so small. You can literally take it out yourself. They're super light. It's like 4 bolts holding the motor pretty much. But me and my dad took it out when we first got it. We rebuilt it. We put bigger pistons. We put a bigger cam, and it turned it into a. Because originally the motor was a 1641. I mean 1640. No, 1600. Originally the motor was a 1600, so we built it to a 1641. It adds like an extra 50 horsepower probably. I'm not quite sure. I think I've gotten about 120 miles per hour in this, and it wobbles a lot. It shakes a lot in the front, and the wind feels like it's literally gonna blow it over, like tip it and roll. But it definitely shakes a lot, and it's all over the road. It pulls really hard. So I try not to go super fast in it, as in, I mean, it's a Bug, you're not gonna go very fast. And here you got the old 1950s film roll thing. It works great on Bugs. I mean, can't even explain how great it works, but just as great as it works on the films. This fat thing, this little boner, is my exhaust, and a car parked behind me and they fucked up their front bumper because they ran into it. So It's also a nice, even though the bumper means nothing because the exhaust sticks past it. But yeah, here these are for the heaters, because my heater comes from my exhaust. So when you turn on the heater, it just smells like straight gas and burnt exhaust and oil. And can you tell where the radiator is? It's right here. That's a brand new radiator. Nah, it's air cooled, so it's a fan with the alternator. If you know what that means, your car guys. Charges the battery. It's cooled by a fan. Yeah. I think from a 1641 cc, I think that's about 80 horsepower. I think I'm not quite sure. It's around that, but correct me if I'm wrong. But me personally, I don't know. So. And right here, this tail light, it actually, I don't know what happened. I think the screw got stripped and it fell off, so the whole tail light fell off. And these are glass right here, so they're really hard to find. And a car actually ran over this piece and it flattened it completely. And I could not find the right piece for it, so I hammered it out. And I mean, it's all screwed up, but it looks damn near the same. I don't have this seal on it, but I hammered it and it's good. So I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna rev it a little bit. I mean, that's just how I have to start it, but yeah. It's a little bit quiet. It's like a Prius. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'm pretty proud that I pretty much built the car like up. It was like nothing really when I first got it. It's really not meant for racing. It's not fast. It's just an old classic that's loud. And, I mean, everyone tries to race me because it's loud, but it's really not much, nothing. But thanks for watching, and stay polite.